Hi, hello, and welcome to another video by the scientist formerly known as Nigeli. Today I would like to show you my 3D printed soda can slicer. What's a soda can slicer? It's a helper to remove easily the bottom and the top of a soda can. The result is then such a nice aluminum tube that you can cut apart with scissors, and then you obtain these soda can sheets that you can use for your DIY projects. I already made a video how to flatten soda can sheets. Just follow the link in the upper right corner. Okay, let's start with the first example. It's a 300 ml soda can, just to show you how it works. Okay, enter the top into the slicer, press the blade against the soda can and then start turning the soda can. Take it out, place the spacer inside the slicer, and then the bottom part is entered, turn again, and then you are ready to release top and bottom. Do not cut through the aluminium, the idea is just to score it. Now I'm taking it out and you can see that the top already fell off, but for the bottom part apply some pressure with your fingernails or an old credit card, and the result is this aluminum tube. In order that our soda can slicer is usable for various types of soda cans, we have to investigate a little bit into the different types. In my part of the world, we have the following ones. 66 millimeters are those 500 ml soda cans. The slicer is designed in a way that those big ones fit into the slicer directly. There are also 300 ml soda cans with the same diameter. Of course, they work also, but there is a different type, a smaller one with a diameter of 58 millimeters. So in order that we can use the soda can slicer also for these smaller types, I made a sort of spacer where you have to put in the soda can. So here another example, a 500 ml soda can, how to cut it. Gently press the blade against the soda can with your fingers and turn the soda can. Then add the spacer. When cutting the bottom, this is just to have a soda can sheet as large as possible. Okay, take the soda can out and then with applying a little bit of pressure with your fingernail or an old credit card, release top and bottom of the soda can. A soda can sheet obtained in this way will have a length of around 20 centimeters and a height of about 12 centimeters. Okay, now let's have a look on the parts you have to print. On the top left corner you see the basic elements, so where to put in the soda can. Then you have two pieces for the blade holder and the spacer. Then you need some blades and nuts and bolts. These are the parts for the 3D printer. Now let's have a look how to cut the smaller type. So just place the soda can into the spacer, place the spacer into the basic element of the slicer, and then turn the soda can around. This spacer can also be used for the other side. Just turn the soda can and start cutting again. Now let's have a look how to assemble the 3D printed parts after printing. So place the two blade holders onto each other and then enter the nuts on one side, turn it over, and enter the screws from the other side. Then you need a little longer screw for the middle. This is the screw to attach the blade holder to the basic element. Then place the blade inside the blade holder. You see, I have to open the screws again because it's so tight here. And then fix the blade tightly with those two screws. And now with the third screw, we have to attach the blade holder to the basic element. Now when going back to our smaller type with a diameter of 58, you see that there is also even a smaller one, this Red Bull one. And the spacer is made or designed in a way that we can also cut these Red Bull cans. So place the spacer inside and also the soda can and it will work. But maybe you have to adjust the blade. That's what I'm doing right now. Open the screws and then take out the blade a little bit so it can reach the smaller Red Bull can. And if you are wondering why I have these soda cans with ink removed, I already posted a video how to do this. That was the first one in 2016 showing this procedure. If you would like to repeat it, just follow the link in the upper right corner. Now some information concerning the blades I'm using. They are 9 millimeters in height. These are just regular blades from a utility knife that I'm using. We need only half of such a blade, so with the use of pliers I do take them apart. Open again the screws to release the old one, which is maybe not as sharp anymore as you want it, and then insert the new blade and tighten the screws again to fix it. Is there anything left to say? Ah yeah, just start printing. You will find all the files that you need to print this soda can slicer in the links in the description. You see, I'm using here my lovely Prusa Mini. And if you need inspirations what to do with soda cans or with the released soda can sheets, just visit my channel. And as always, stay creative and so long.